Here is the Highline RCH hydro mower. A lifting device will be needed to lift the rad for this rad update. Disconnect the wiring to the solenoids and to the lighting harness. This could prevent damage when the rad is lifted. Disconnect the high temperature sensor harness on the filter housing. Lightly loosen the two large hydraulic hoses that are connected to the rad. This will allow them to pivot while the rad is lifting. Use a device to support and lift the rad. Remove the 4 half-inch bolts from the rad support arms. Lift rad so that the bottom support hole is in line with the top hole on the tank bracket. Place the supplied lift bracket on the outside of the tank bracket and place bolt through the bottom holes and fasten with lock nut. Place bolt through middle hole on supplied lift bracket, through the top hole on the tank bracket, and through the hole on the bottom rad support. Fasten with flat washer and lock nut. Place 2 washers between the lift bracket and the rad bracket. Place bolt through top supplied lift bracket. Then fasten with washer and lock nut. Repeat for the other side bracket. Due to the slotted holes, position rad parallel with the tank and tighten all 6 bolts. Move the wire grommets from the top of the fan to the bottom of the fan and then plug the high temp harness into the sensor. If hose sits tight under hydraulic lines, remove and place on top. Tighten the hydraulic hoses and fittings. Reattach the solenoid connections and the lighting harnesses.